After 5 years of trading, this is hands down the easiest strategy I've ever seen. It basically needs one candle, 3 easy steps, 0 analysis, and about 2 minutes on the charts per day. So let's get right into it. We've just taken this trade in our backtesting session, so I'll just bring us to the next day and we can look for the next one. Alright, so here we are at the very start of the next trading day, and the first thing we're going to do is step 1 here, mark out the previous day's high and low. Okay, so now we have the previous day's high and low marked out. We'll return to the lower time frames. And so as you can see, next is step 2, where we're going to pull our fib to get percent levels. So the Fibonacci tool just measures retracements or extensions as a percentage of the leg from which you pulled it. So I've pulled this from the previous day's low to high. And using these settings, this will give me 6% back inside the range and 1% outside it. So next we're going to place our stop orders. So here I'm going to place a long stop above the high, and we're placing it at 1% above the high with stops 6% back inside. Now when you do this strategy, you can give it more room to breathe. You can have a wider stop loss. These numbers are kind of arbitrary, but I'm just sticking to these consistent ones to prove that it does work. And I'm going to be targeting a 1.7R, but again, you can target a 1R and have a higher win rate all the way up to maybe 3R. And even if you target those higher RRs, you could maybe bring your stop to break even at 1R. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing to the downside. Okay, so now we have buy orders placed above the highs and sell orders placed below the lows. And as soon as one of them is hit, we'll just cancel the other. All right, so we can see this trade has hit for a win, and we'll just cancel the other one, and we're now done for the day. So this strategy is based on the expectation that when we take out a previous day's high or low, we're going to do that as a liquidity run with a decent amount of strength behind it. So we're just hoping to get in for a quick scalp and get out. So I'm only just over a month into testing this on gold right now. And as you can see, I'm seeing a 66.67% win rate, 10 for 15. Although, as you can see down here, I did forget to take off one of those stop orders on this day, so there was actually an extra loss that should not have been there. As you can see, every other day is just one trade. But other people who've tested it longer than me have reported somewhere around 65 to 70% win rate at 1R, and more like a 45 to 50% win rate at 2 to 2.5R. So I was kind of going for somewhere in between in terms of the win rate and the RR, so running at a 1.7R. So far it's definitely looking really good on gold, and I've also tested it for about a month on Euro USD, which I plan to trade the futures ticker for that, and it's also looking really good there. So look out for my next video. I'll post some results with longer back tests, and if things keep looking promising, I will probably turn this one into a bot as well. Just as a quick side note, if you're coming here from my previous videos where I talked about my VWAP bot, here's just a quick screenshot of one of my prop firm funded accounts where I was running the VWAP bot for the first full week last week. So as you can see, only risking about $90 to $120 per trade on a 25K funded copy trade. It was up just over $350 per account. So, you know, if you doubled the size on a 50K funded, that's a $700 week on your funded account. Anyways, thanks for watching, and look out for the next video where I'll have some more results for you. Otherwise, join the free Discord if you're interested in trying out the VWAP bot or being on the lookout for this bot when it comes out. Thanks for watching.